Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. I just want to show you how pine is such a versatile tree. So what we can do, you can see pine pollen here, so you can collect this. You can refer to my video above. At the same time, look at these green pine cones. You can get these in this sort of green stage, and you can ferment them in honey. You can ferment them with sugar. You can make a sort of sweet jam. You can boil them with sugar and add whatever you like to it. And this is actually my first year, so I'm gonna definitely ferment them in honey, leave it for a couple of weeks, and then I think I will try the jam. I have actually coconut sugar. I haven't used coconut sugar before, so I will try to boil it with coconut sugar and see the result. So I wanted to show you, if you come across pine, check it out. You can either go for the pine pollen, aka yellow dust, or for these wonderful green pine cones. Here we go. We've got more pine cones here. So you just want the green ones, not the old ones you can see over there. I'm gonna infuse some with honey. So I'm just gonna pour some honey over it. Here we go. So you should let it infuse minimally for 2 weeks, longer the better, and keep shaking it in every few days and make sure everything is submerged. So you can see they are coming up, so I will need to give it a bit stir and make sure they are nicely submerged. Exciting stuff! I am giving it a good shake every day and also opening the lids to release the pressure. You can see the bubbles. I am doing some layering with sugar. So I'm gonna put more sugar on the top, and then I leave it on the windowsill for a couple of days to see how it will nicely dissolve, and I wish you were here. The smell is phenomenal. We are done. So I'm just gonna close it and put it on the windowsill. Ta-da! Let me also try with this organic coconut sugar. I just want to see whether it will dissolve. Hopefully yes. Just wanted to show you what coconut sugar look like. I never had it before, so it has got nice brown color. I will keep layering, and I think it should be absolutely fine. And to top up my pine cones obsession, I am doing Suncharge infused water. I mash the pine cones in this jug, so hopefully it will release the flavor more readily, and you can see the water, it's more clouded. And in this one I let them be in their normal state, and yeah, I just enjoy some Suncharge water. This is something which I do quite regularly, and this is actually sprouting jar, so you can reuse your sprouting jar. Here I've got the jug, and I've got the top from the sprouting jar, so you can just put it on the top. You don't want any insect or creepy crawlies going there, and I leave it for a couple of hours. You don't need to do the sun charge thingy. You can just leave it overnight in your kitchen or somewhere in your house and enjoy it, or just for a couple of hours. It's really up to you, but I just love it. Let it be in my garden and do its own thing. Here we go. I am trying to make some jam. So I am trying with coconut sugar, and also I put some orange juice from freshly squeezed oranges. So yeah, I don't know what to expect, but let's see what happens. Let me know in the comments below, what do you do with them? Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye until next time.